Hello there. The Zenon Node version 0.0.2 is now available for download. Today I will show you how to set up a node, and also cover why is it important. Encouraging every fellow alien to download and run a full node. This has dramatically reduced memory usage. Now it is possible to run the node on low-end hardware and support network decentralization. One of the key fundamentals of blockchain decentralization is enabling users to run full nodes and validate transaction history without reliance on third parties. Zenon is uncovering better ways to enrich genuine decentralization by invading the space with more nodes and helping others to do it as well. Running a Zenon node on the network of Momentum Protocol offers by far the best security and privacy guarantees while ensuring that the dual ledger data is secure, valid, and accessible. It is a very simple process, and it will make your Syrius wallet run flawlessly. Let's begin by downloading the necessary files from the official Zenon Twitter handle. Click on the GitHub link, which will get you to list of assets, where you can choose your preferred operating system. For this tutorial we will select Windows. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. Double-click on the extracted file and let it run. Windows may give a warning, run it anyways. This will open a command line program window. Leave it running. Next, open your Syrius wallet, go to the Settings tab, under Node Management widget click on Node Selection, and select WS:127.0.0.1 to 35,998. Next, click on Confirm Node. You will see your Syrius wallet momentum height start syncing. Be patient and let it sync. At the time of recording, we are at 505,170, so it will take up to an hour to completely sync. It may pause at certain blocks, just let it sync. That's it, you are done. You can pin the CLI to your taskbar for ease of access. You can close the CLI window, and every time you start your Syrius wallet you will need to run the CLI. It will continue syncing where it had stopped. Hope this video helps and encourages everyone to run a node. If you have any questions, please reach out to the community via Telegram. All links will be in the description of this video. Thank you.